guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. Hello Valentine's Day. And men, listen up. Chocolate and roses, they're great, right? Nah, everyone's doing that. And you've done it for the last several years. You know, she's expecting that from you again. Although what she's not expecting is what we've got going today. She will go from preferring her cats to fall head over heels for you. Guys, gather all your fruits together because we're gonna make a very delicious Açaí heart-healthy breakfast. She will fall in love with you because she knows you care about her health. She was looking for that early morning breakfast with low carb, low calorie, and completely delicious. So there are two questions here. The first one, what is an Açaí breakfast bowl? Imagine a smoothie with a straw in a cup. Well, get rid of the straw, get rid of the cup. Throw that inside a bowl, top it off with some fresh berries and some nuts, and you got yourself an awesome power breakfast treat. The second question, what is an Açaí? Well, Açaí is a delicious purple berry that grows on the banks of the Amazon and is widely considered to be one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Natural sugar, a load of minerals and nutrients. So what are we waiting for? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let the love begin. It's finally done. So simple to make. Take all your ingredients, throw it in the blender, blend it up, throw it in the bowl, and add your favorite toppings. We also added bananas and granola to top this off with. What are we waiting for? Let's try it out. This is so good. Wholesome goodness in a bowl. Refreshing, smooth, healthy. Make this for her, surprise her for that early morning breakfast. And if you're looking to make some chocolate truffles just to end your night with a little sweetness, go ahead and click on the link above and that will guide you for my last year's Valentine's Day video of making homemade chocolate truffles. Well, that just wraps up today's episode. And if you're here for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and click on that little bell to catch my newest videos that are uploaded. And until next time, keep on loving.